Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a crucial upgrade for the ASUS ProArt StudioBook 16 OLED series, specifically the H7600 models with the 12th Gen Intel processors. We're talking about the ATEC 64GB RAM kit. If you're rocking one of these powerhouses, the H7600ZM, H7600ZW, or H7600ZX, and you're feeling a little bottlenecked, this might be exactly what you need. This kit comes with two 32GB DDR5 SODMM modules, operating at a speedy 4,800 MHz. That translates to PC5-38400 or PC5-4800B speeds. Now, why is this important? Well, the ProArt StudioBook is designed for demanding tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, and running complex simulations. These activities eat up memory like crazy. Upgrading to 64GB ensures you have ample headroom to handle even the most intense workloads without those frustrating slowdowns. The ATEC modules are NONCC unbuffered, with a 2RX8 configuration, meaning dual rank X8. They adhere to the JEDEC DDR5 standard, operating at a safe and efficient 1.1V. Installation is surprisingly straightforward. ATEC designed these for easy home installation. Of course, always consult your system's manual for the correct seating and channel configurations. But generally, it's a plug-and-play affair. The benefit of this upgrade is immediately noticeable. More available memory translates to improved performance across the board. You'll experience fewer bottlenecks, smoother multitasking, and an overall increase in your system's workload capacity. Programs will launch faster, rendering times will decrease, and you'll be able to work with larger files without a hitch. ATEC also puts these memory modules through rigorous quality control testing. This ensures dependable and reliable performance. Plus, they back their product with a limited lifetime warranty, which offers peace of mind. And if you run into any issues, their knowledgeable tech team is available to assist you, both before and after your purchase. So, if you're looking to unleash the full potential of your ASUS ProArt StudioBook 16 OLED, the ATEC 64GB RAM kit is definitely worth considering. It's a simple upgrade that can make a world of difference to your workflow.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.